Welcome to SAEs with Tech, where smart tech meets everyday passion. If you love plants but struggle to keep them alive, this might just be your new best friend. Have you ever brought home a beautiful plant only to watch it wilt days later? Maybe life got busy, you forgot to water it, or you gave it too much love. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Every year, millions of plant lovers lose their green companions due to inconsistent care. But what if your plant could communicate with you? What if it could tell you when it's thirsty, hungry, or even sad? Introducing the PlantsIO Smart Pet Planter Robot, your AI-powered plant care companion that makes nurturing your plant feel like raising a digital pet. This isn't just a pot, it's a living, breathing plant buddy that understands your plant's needs better than you ever could. Light too low? It lets you know. Soil too dry? It sends an alert. Wrong temperature? It adapts. And the best part? It has a real personality. It reacts with emotions. You'll see it smile, frown, or pout based on your care. No more guessing, no more guilt. Just consistent, loving plant parenting made fun. If you truly love your plants, this is an investment in your passion. Whether you're a new plant parent or a collector of rare species, PlantsIO helps you connect with your plants on a deeper, smarter, more emotional level. Imagine turning your shelf of plants into a joyful, interactive garden that actually talks back. No more plant funerals, no more dry soil, no more frustration, just green, happy companions thriving with you. This is perfect for busy professionals who love greenery but forget to water, plant lovers who want to build a deeper bond with their plants, parents looking to teach their kids responsibility in a fun, tech-powered way, or anyone ready to upgrade their plant game with AI-powered care. If you're ready to take your plant love to the next level, check out the PlantsIO Smart Pet Planter Robot at the link below. It's more than tech, it's a connection. Your plants will thank you with real, visible emotions. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell to discover more gadgets that make life easier, smarter, and full of joy. Only on SAEs with Tech.